One of the things Excel is notorious for is turning text into dates, or turning anything close to a date into a date. So if I type January 2020, it immediately turns that into a date. You can see there in the formula bar, right there, that January 2020 became January 1st, 2020. I had no control over that. Excel just does it. And even if I go back and I try to format that general, it's now turned it into a numeric value because that's how it treats dates behind the scenes. So the way to avoid that is to use a single quote mark before whatever you type. If you do that, it basically says, leave this alone. Don't try to make it into a formula. Don't try to turn it into a date. Just leave this as is. And you can see here in that cell, let's center that so you can see it better. In that cell, you don't see the single quote mark. It's only in the formula bar that you'll see it. And it's there to say, leave this be. You also will need to use this with anything that starts with a minus sign, an equal sign, or a plus sign that you don't want Excel to convert into a formula. So if I do item A, this, because I used a minus sign, it thinks it's a formula. It's going to give me an error. See, pound name error. But if I do a single quote, it's fine. It leaves it alone. So use a single quote to tell Excel not to transform your text in that cell.